All right, we're here in Woodbury, Minnesota on a window install. We just put this beautiful new Pella window in the house. This is actually a Pella Lifestyle dual pane window, one of their best windows they make. It's got wood on the inside, metal on the outside. Here you can see they went with the white exterior, and they have, it looks like the golden oak stain on the inside. Customer chose a factory finish on this one. It's great to do the factory finish because you actually get a manufacturer's warranty on the finish on the inside of the home. So if there's issues down the road, you can rely on us, obviously, but you can also then rely on Pella windows and doors to back up their product. This is a really nice product. It's probably our most popular window that we sell. It has this very sturdy metal cladding on the exterior. It means that it's low maintenance. You're never gonna have to paint this window. You're never gonna have to do patching on wood or anything like that. All you do, keep your windows clean, you wash them, and give them a little wipe down now and then. They should operate for a very long time. This particular window comes with Pella's lifetime warranty, so it's 50 years on the glass. If you ever have any problems, we can call Pella and we can get those taken care of.